The Banbury Tub and Shower Faucet by Moen. Step into a new showering experience with this Banbury Tub and Shower Faucet. The Banbury collection offers classic styling with soft curves for traditional decor. The showerhead's single-function flow-optimized stream provides great coverage while conserving water. Banbury is designed with a posi-temp balancing valve that helps prevent scalding by allowing you to predetermine the hottest temperature setting before installation and maintains more consistent water pressure. We're featuring the Spot Resist Brushed Nickel finish, which resists fingerprints and water spots and easily wipes clean. This product is also available in a variety of finishes. The classic and dependable Banbury Tub and Shower Faucet by Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.